So today we'll be solving the sixth question for AutoCAD Professional exams. As you know, we have the list of the questions from the past exams. Some of our students have written and they've gotten their professional exams for AutoCAD company itself. If you check out our Facebook page, you get to see some of the certifications and our past videos on how to solve these exam questions. Follow our Facebook page. You will see a link to our Facebook page in the video description below. And you also follow the Facebook page, turn on notifications for the Facebook page, follow our subscriptions, follow our YouTube channel, turn on notifications to get more of these videos. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these videos. So today we will be solving the sixth of the 30 questions we have to solve for Autodesk. So let's follow the instruction given. This is a sketch that you see. Then they say we should open a home drawing. So let's start drawing. Let me turn off my green mode. Let me go to my start menu. Let me open home drawing. Okay, this is the home drawing. This is the home drawing. Where is it? This is the home drawing. We have to, under the view tab, within the views panel, under the view tab within the views panel, select the polyline name view. Okay, let's select the polyline name view under the views tab. Go to the views tab, go to name, new viewports, then select this to select the polyline view. Okay, we selected the polyline view. So click OK. So this is the polyline name view. So we've selected the polyline name view. So now what we have to do is draw a line that touches from point 1 to point 4 to match this image above. Let's draw this line this way. From point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to our home tab. Let's use the polyline command. That's from where? This point here. Draw to this point. Then to this point. Then to this other point. Then press escape. So we've drawn from point 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. Then what is the next instruction given? They said what is the length of the polyline? So let's check that out. The length of the polyline. To get the length of the polyline, click on the polyline, right click, then go to properties. This is the length of the polyline, 347.83. Let's input that into our geometries. Three 347.83. So let's click on next. That was correct. So we'll be solving more of these questions just as we've been solving for the past a week from now. So we will solve the next one too. Turn on notification. You don't want to miss out on our next video. Check out our YouTube channel to see more of these videos.
Do you want to sit for AutoCAD Professional exam? Then check our contacts below in the video description. make sure to contact us and give you a guide on how to go about it. Also, did you enjoy that video? Do you want more of that? Then click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications to get notifications on when our next videos will be dropping. Don't worry, we got you.
These are certificates our students get from Autodesk through MAGS Engineering. If you need training on AutoCAD and other engineering software such as Aspen HYSYS, Revit, PNID, and others, or if you already have apt training on this software, you can get its professional certification. Allow us to be your guide. Reach us at admin@magsengineeringlimited.com. Contact at magsengineeringlimited.com.